Welcome to Listora AI, the world's first AI-powered product content generator. In this demo, let's explore how you can save hours of work with the bulk upload feature. Sign up and log in with your email address and password. After logging in successfully, you'll land on the Generate page. From here, simply click on Bulk Upload, either from the left menu or the top navigation. Inside the Bulk Upload page, click Upload CSV. You can add up to 50 products at a time. Your CSV should include product name, product features, and the platform. Next, map your CSV fields to the Tools columns and click Start Background Processing. Listora AI begins generating optimized listings for all your products. The best part? Processing runs in the background, even if you close the window. And here you go. Your product listings are now ready to download. In minutes, not hours, you've created platform-ready, optimized product content. Bulk upload is available on business and higher plans. With Listora AI, scale from one product to hundreds, effortlessly. Enter the website and try Listora AI for free, now. Your life is definitely about to change.